Hello, welcome to today's lesson. We'll create a JavaScript program to take a string and a positive number as inputs and return the string repeated that many times. This technique is handy in text processing tasks where controlled repetition is needed. The task is simple. We'll create a function that accepts a string and a number. If the number is negative, the function returns false. Otherwise, it outputs the string repeated the specified number of times. Here's our function, string copies. It first checks whether n is negative. If so, it returns false. Otherwise, the function uses JavaScript's repeat method to create the repeated string. Let's break this down. First, we check if n is negative. If it is, the function immediately returns false. Otherwise, the repeat method creates a string that repeats str exactly n amount of times, and the function returns the result. In this example, the input is ABC, and we want to repeat it 5 times. The function processes the inputs and returns the concatenated results. When n is 0, the repeat method produces an empty string, as the input string is repeated 0 times. This demonstrates that the function handles edge cases gracefully. If n is negative, as in the example, the function detects it and returns false. This ensures that the function only processes valid inputs. The ES6 version of the function uses an arrow function to make the code more concise while maintaining the same functionality. It is a great example of modern JavaScript syntax. In summary, we've created a flexible function to repeat strings efficiently, leveraging the repeat method in JavaScript. It handles both valid and invalid inputs appropriately. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more JavaScript. Happy coding!